Thank you for watching Vita-Stream. Today, you're watching the Can't See Eyedrops opening guide. If you're interested to find out more or want to purchase this product, visit www.vita-stream.com or check the link in the description. Vita-Stream is the official distributor of the Can't See in the United States. Each Can't See Eyedrops box contains two 5 ml vials. Remove the blue lower ring from the vial like so. Then, tighten the cap on the nozzle by turning it clockwise. The spike inside the cap should pierce the nozzle. Then remove the cap by turning it anti-clockwise, and you're ready to go. You can remove the blue ring as well. To make sure that the hole for the eyedrops is big enough, you can tighten the cap once again. If this has not worked, use the cap from the second vial to pierce a hole.